Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best Newegg discount or promo codes which are working right now. So first of all, open a browser inside your laptop or PC, and once you have opened the browser, just go to Google and search here the website coupon follow. Press enter and open the first website, which is couponfollow.com. You will see the website, or you can just directly go to the URL couponfollow.com as well. And once you're at the home page of the website, on the right side you will see a search section. Just click here and you just write down egg. Sorry, not the egg, actually Newegg. And once you write down Newegg, so you will see all the lists of the websites: newegg.com, newegg.com Canada, and Newegg business. That depends on you, whatever you're using. So let's say newegg.com. Just click on it, and once you click on it, let it load, and you will see a list of all the promo codes which are listed here. Now some of them might not be working, but on the right side you can see total number of coupon codes are 19, total offers are 19, and average saving a person is getting, which is almost $151 if you're using the discount. Best discount is 80% off. So you can go through all the discounts. This list is basically updated daily. Let's say this is the code: get Samsung 990 Pro 4 TB SSD for $289. Let's say I want to use this code. Just click on show coupon code, and you will see the coupon code. Directly copy it and go to newegg.com, and you can just use the code. This list is updated daily, so don't worry about the new promo codes. These are listed daily, so you can enjoy your promo code and discount.